So while the seeds from the previous video are waiting to germinate, let's talk about something just as important: the soil they're growing in. A good seed starting mix can make a huge difference in how healthy your seedlings become. Here's the recipe that I use. Simple recipe: 3 parts peat moss, 1 part vermiculite, half part perlite, and a handful of worm castings. That's it. The perlite and the worm castings are added later. The peat moss holds moisture. The vermiculite helps to retain water and nutrients. The perlite keeps the mix light and airy so roots can breathe, and the worm castings provide a gentle source of nutrients for young seedlings. When you mix that all together, you end up with a light, fluffy growing medium that gives your seeds the best possible start. Now, before I plant anything, there's one step I never skip. I always sterilize my soil with boiling water. Why? Because bag soil can sometimes contain fungus gnats, insect eggs, larvae, and other unwanted pests, and I don't want that flying around my house. So adding boiling water helps reduce those pests before they can have a chance to hatch inside your home. I'd rather deal with the soil now than fight with an infestation later while my seeds are trying to grow. Once the soil has cooled completely, it's ready for planting. Good thing is the seeds don't need any light yet. Once they do, every second counts. In the next video, I'll show you the grow light system I'll be using.